Okay. You know how to ride it?
I think you turn
Get your feet on
right.
it. Okay. And what you're going to do is move your hips. There you go. Keep your legs going. Keep your legs going. There you go. Keep them going. Harder, harder.
Lean into it.
You got to push. There you go. There you go. Okay, now turn around. Turn. Turn all the way around. No, you have a break right there. Let me show you. Watch. Here's how you do it. Watch. Come up here so you can see what I'm doing. Watch how I'm moving.
Pretty good, Gramps. Where's your helmet?
Okay?
You have
So,
Uphill.
so get your legs going.
what?
You got to stand on them both at the same time. There you go. Now get your legs going. There you go. There you go. Move your hips. Swivel your hips like Elvis did. Swivel them hips. There you go. Come on. Rock and roll, baby. No, don't grab your brake. You got to make it move.